Stay safe, stay healthy, wear your mask, don't forget to get vaccinated. Hi, hello, namaste, adab. How are you all? Welcome back. In this video, I am going to talk about some interesting things that had happened around the world. A young lady woke up in the middle of mid-brain surgery. Do you know what happened to her next? Why she woke up? Do you know youngest traveler who traveled 196 countries in the world? Do you know who holds the world record for farthest eye popping or eye protrusion? If you don't know about these things, don't worry. I'm going to talk and explain not only about these but also some other interesting things that had happened around the world. Don't forget to watch the video till end. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel, press the like button and hit the bell icon to get notified for my future videos. So, let's begin the video. Interesting things happened around the world. Episode 1. Hey all, this is RK and welcome back to my channel. (1887) Argonia City, Kansas. How it became nationally and internationally known when voters of Little Quark Village elected their first female mayor. A woman in Kansas was nominated on Prohibition Party ticket by a group of men as a joke. Some men of Argonia felt that politics was their exclusive domain and resented the intrusions of women into their affairs. During these times, women were renewing their demands for more political rights. They did this as a stunt to humiliate women and discourage them from participating in politics. Susanna M. Salter. Mrs. Salter was nominated by a group of Argonian men by replacing the name of the person who they nominated as a mayor. Mrs. Salter don't even know that she was in election ballot for mayoral election. During those days, candidates did not have to be made public before election day. Surprisingly, with the help of WCTU, Women's Christian Temperance Union members and chairman of Republican Party in Argonia, she won with 2/3 majority of votes. Instead of humiliating women, they had elected their first woman mayor in the country. She served her one-year term and stepped down as mayor. Even though she never intended to be mayor, her 1 year of political life was all that she desired. Her house, where she lived during her tenure as mayor, was added to National Register of Historic Places in 1971. If you want full video on Susanna M. Salter's inspirational life story, let me know in the comment section down below and hit the like button. How many of you love watching Harry Potter series? In this Harry Potter series, how many of you remember Moaning Myrtle, character who used to weep in the bathrooms as a ghost female student, was killed by Basilisk under the control of Tom Riddle. Moaning Myrtle character in the film was played by Shirley Henderson. Shirley Henderson was 37 years old when she first played the character of Moaning Myrtle, a 11-year-old girl who used to weep in the bathroom as a female ghost student in Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. She is the only oldest actor in the Harry Potter films to portray as a young Hogwarts student. In an interview, she said it is tough to play a young teenage girl character of 11 years. Once, in a school in Columbia, Ohio, students were asked to write an essay about Adolf Hitler on what to do with Hitler. Surprisingly, a 10-year-old girl wrote about Hitler and won the competition. Do you know what she wrote? Put him in black skin and make him to live his rest of life in USA. In 2015, 19-year-old Iga Jessica of Poland, who woke up accidentally during her midbrain surgery. She asks how it's going and spoke about cats in the middle of surgery with the surgical staff. Doctors told awake craniotomy, which was actually a preferred technique for temporary consciousness during midbrain surgery. Awake craniotomy is a preferred technique for operations to remove lesions close to or involving in functionally important regions of brain. This allows to test patient's function continuously throughout operation to minimize the risk. Through Facebook page, Iga Jessica said she don't remember much, but doctors told her she is talking about cats that she loves. She didn't feel anything and never in danger and pain, possibly neurons to trigger which could made her regain consciousness and ability to speak, by neurosurgeon Dr. David Larins. Farthest eye popping. How much far you can pop or pull out your eyes outside of your eye socket. Kim Goodman of Chicago, Illinois holds the world record for farthest eyeball protrusion, and she resides in Istanbul, Turkey, where she maintains her record of farthest eyeball pop. Kim Goodman, for her unique and bizarre condition, proptosis, she holds Guinness World Record. She can pull out or able to pop her eyes out of her eye sockets by 12 millimeters, that is 0.47 inches. She discovered this bizarre talent in her when she was hit on head by a hockey mask while trying to pull it. She is holding in top 10 when Guinness World Records book conducted online poll on the occasion of their 50th anniversary by naming it Top 10 Most Astounding Facts catalogued in its pages. When David Letterman met her, he was so impressed with her ocular stunt and he featured her in his show Late Night with David Letterman Video Special 3. Do you have any unique or bizarre talents like this? Please share with us in the comment section down below. Have you ever encountered an alligator? What will you do if an alligator attacks you? Please let us know in the comment section down below.
I'm just kidding.
In 2017, a 10-year-old girl was caught by an alligator, and with simple technique she managed to escape the beast. Juliana Osa, a 10-year-old girl who is swimming about 2 feet of water at Lake Mary Jane in Moss Park, located in Orlando, Florida, was caught by an alligator which is around 9 feet. Alligator attacked by catching her leg, and the little girl tried hard to escape the beast by hitting on its forehead, but it didn't work. Suddenly, she thought of a technique that she got taught in Gatorland. What she did was sticking her 2 fingers in the beast's nose to make it uncomfortable to breathe, which forced the animal to open its mouth. She was pulled back to shore by lifeguards and was taken to Nemours Children's Hospital, where she was treated and got saved. And later that day, the alligator was caught and killed. But next time, be careful and look around if you are going to swim in Florida waters, because there is always a chance of alligators attack. In an interview, this brave little girl said, "At first I was so scared, but I know what to do." Youngest female traveler in the world. By the way, how many places you have traveled till now? My favorite was Santorini, Greece. What about yours? Don't forget to share your travel experiences or stories with us in the comment section down below. Holds officially world records for the youngest person to travel and also youngest female to travel all sovereign countries at the age of 21. Alexi Rose Alford, also known as Lexi Alford or Lexi Limitless, from Nevada City, California, was also known as youngest traveler to travel all 196 countries in the world, including North Korea. She started traveling when she was very young. She often used to travel with her parents as they run travel agency, and at age of 18 years, she completed visiting 72 countries. She holds Guinness World Records for traveling all 196 countries at very young age. When she was asked how you managed to travel, her reply was, "When I travel, I rely on blogging, freelancing, photography and selling prints to keep my bank account from drying up." And also, she said she spends more time for researching the best deals and thoroughly learning on how to travel to exotic places on a budget. Her intensity to prove world is not scary as media portrays to be, and kindness everywhere. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video and learned something interesting which had happened around the world. Thank you for watching.
Thanks! Love you! Forever!